Okay, for those who don't know, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the front runner at this year's Galaxy Unpacked event. I mean, there's also the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and normally we have seen the Galaxy Z Fold series to be the front runner every year, but this time around, as the hashtag also says, join the flip side. So the star of the show is the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and in this video I'm going to give you my first impressions of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 based on the little time that I got to spend with the device. Now, of course, I've also made a separate Galaxy Z Fold 5 first impressions video as well. If you are interested in that phone, you can check that one out. Hello everyone, I'm Mani of Fiiber, and now let's get started. Now, implementation wise, I think it is a step in the right direction. I mean, with the large cover display at play, the widgets, the ability to reply to text messages. I mean, this way you'll be able to use the Flip 5 more when folded. Like, you won't have to even open the phone. You'll be able to use the phone on the cover display, which also means less battery drain. So apart from this large cover display, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is also an iterative upgrade over the Flip 4, just like the Fold 5 is over the Fold 4. Now, what I'm expecting from the Z Flip 5 over the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a better camera performance and better battery optimization as well. That said, the battery capacity on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is still 3700 mAh, which is the same as the last year model. But okay, granted, over the Flip 3, the Galaxy Flip 4's battery with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1's optimization was quite good, and given Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's track record with the S23 series, I'm assuming the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to be better in terms of endurance, but given the same battery capacity, I am not expecting a huge bump in endurance numbers. Only time will tell. Let's wait for my testing and see how it turns out to be. However, one thing that I'm 99% certain of is that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is going to bring huge camera improvements over the Galaxy Z Flip 4. So the Galaxy Z Flip 5 carries the same megapixels camera as the Flip 4, a 12 megapixel primary sensor with OIS coupled with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and there's a 10 megapixel selfie snapper on the main display inside. Now, Samsung says because of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2's superior ISP, one can expect better 10x digital zoom shots. Well, I would say I am more excited to check out the general overall performance of the Flip 5's camera. But yeah, otherwise the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is the same old trusted Galaxy Z Flip 4, but of course more refined and with the better and larger cover display at play. And by the way, just like the Fold 5, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 also features the new Flex hinge, which means the phone is slimmer than before, of course feels lighter, and there's zero gap in between, and it is still IPX8 rated for protection against water. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is launched in 4 colors: graphite, cream, lavender, and my favorite of the bunch, mint. But yes guys, that's about it for my first impressions of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let me know all your thoughts about this smartphone in the comments below, and what do you think about the pairing of the 3700 mAh battery inside the Flip 5 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2? Everything in the comments below. As always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.